Well, in this video, we are going to build the brain. We are going to build that knowledge base that we are going to give to our AIs, okay? We are going to give to our agents so that when you previously used to generate the posts, you are sounding more like AI and so like everyone else because they are all doing the same thing. What they are doing, they are just going to the AI, whatever it is, ChatGPT or Claude. They are telling their niche and about their business, and then they are asking it to generate the posts around the topic of their niche. So there's so much generic advice to give. But what I'm here with today is that entire knowledge base that we are going to use within our content system. So what you have to do is you have to go to the description of this video. You will be finding the resource link. In that resource link, you would be redirecting to this page, okay? So the video number 1 of this playlist, Understanding the System, all of the information of that video would be here in the written format so that it is easy for you to understand. Secondly, this video is going to cover up the building the knowledge in voice and my people, okay? So what are we going to do with this, and why are we doing this, okay? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open this page. But even before that, if you don't know how to use Notion, or what Notion is, basically it's a note-taking application, okay? So you cannot just take notes here. You can actually make pages, you can make databases, tables, each and everything. So if you don't have account on Notion, what you have simply to do, go on notion.com, create your account, and then you would be like, as you come to this resource, you would be seeing something like this. If I open this resource in this tab, in this incognito tab, you would be seeing an option of copy this resource, right? So, this was the copy option. So you can duplicate into your own Notion. So this entire page would be copied and you would be seeing it right somewhere here, okay? So now that you have the system, you have to build the knowledge and voice, okay? So what is knowledge and voice? These are different aspects and areas of your life, and there are questions around it, and you have to answer each and every one. Okay, so these are 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are 14 areas of your life that you have to answer, okay? These are the questions. As you open each and every of this file, you would be seeing these questions. So you have to simply answer these questions, right? You have to go and answer every question that is in these, like every of this file. So let's suppose you have started with identity and self-concept. You can select the status from in progress, and you can start answering these questions with the real depth that you have, okay? And if you don't have any answer of any specific questions, just leave that question, okay? So you have to do this, and as you get done, as you have written all of the answers in this page, you can actually select this in progress to done, okay? So that's how it's going to work. You have to answer all of these questions. In total, these would be 140 questions. It's going to be hard. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but that's how your AI brain would be looking like. You are generating a copy of yourself, right? So let it be. This is one time you are doing for this, but you cannot just use this for this one time, for this content system. You can actually use it for every other thing. And it's just, the way you think it's like an open-ended thing. You can use it everywhere. It's basically your AI self. But we are going to come back on the topic. As you get done answering all of these 140 questions, there are more questions in the My People. What basically is My People? People say target audience. I don't say target audience, I say My People, okay? So that's my way of saying this, because I don't treat those people like target audience, okay? I don't treat them like the people that I want to make money of. I treat them like the people I want to grow with. I want to build connections, right? So that's how we answer all of these questions, so that you define your people. Who do I immediately understand without needing much explanation, and why? You can give your own specific example of your own friends, and that can actually work. What kind of person hears me, says that's exactly what I needed, okay? Who do I feel energized helping even when it takes effort? So what kind of people are that? What are their traits, okay? So what are their qualities? You have to write these 40 questions. So in total, there are around 180 questions that you have to answer. And After that, what we would be doing, that's basically an assignment for you on every page. Okay, so if I open this page, I open this page and it is completed, what I would be doing is that I would be opening this page and I would say go here and export, right? I would export it in PDF and A4 or letter, whatever suits you best, and export. This would be exported in PDF. So you would be making a folder named as my knowledge, okay, and you would be exporting all of those PDF in that folder. What would we be doing all of that? We would be covering in our next sessions, okay? So right now it is the knowledge, covering the entire knowledge. Just let me show you what we are covering, okay? I told you in that video we are covering this section, okay? So goals, reflections, voice, standards, each and everything, we are basically defining these in 140 questions, and then we have to store them, all of them, those PDFs in a folder, and then we would be uploading them to NotebookLM. If you upload them to a NotebookLM, creating a new notebook, it's easy. That's really good. But if you don't, we would be covering that in our next sessions. So the next session that we are going to conduct is going to be these prompts, okay? So prompts of necessities, formats, and styling. So we are going to come up on this topic. Maybe the next video is going to be longer than this one. So with that being said, we are going to build this entire system with our efforts, and we are going to make the things in such a way that it's easy for you to create content in your own voice, attract the right people, attract your own leads, make money, or build yourself a personal brand. I don't call it personal brand, basically. I just say it identity architecture. So with that being said, today's video ends up here, and may your day be as bright as your smile.